Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM5 truly wireless earbuds. And I sound a bit exasperated because that model name is just ridiculous. Just always never been a fan of Sony's audio equipment naming convention. But anyway, continuing with the unboxing, so you mentioned a couple of features on the top, how it's compatible with some smart assistants as well as battery performance. But diving into the rest of the unboxing, the packaging is mostly made up of recycled material. That's why it doesn't look like the most attractive box itself, but that's not important, right? What matters is the product itself. So there's the case. I'm just trying to get some dust off of it. And there are the earbuds, truly wireless earbuds. And pretty shiny on the outside. I'm just concerned, I don't know if there'll be a dust magnet. I'll have to look that up. And if the casing itself is also going to track dust easily. So there's a USB-C charging port at the back. Continuing on with the rest of the box contents, we have looks to be some documentation, which we'll get back to very shortly. Here is a USB charging cable. Unfortunately, it's USB-A to USB-C. I'm not sure why in this day and age it's not pure USB-C. And here's the adapters for different earbud fittings sizes. I like how they color-coded it. Not that it's going to be a big deal, you're going to change it that often, but just nice to see that they color-coded it. And I would assume, of course, the medium size is already on the earbuds themselves. Going back to the documentation, the first thing I'm going to see is the 360 audio. I recognize this from the XM5 headphones, not the earbuds, but the headphones that I reviewed. Superb products, my favorite headphones right now. You can find a link to that review in the video description. Continuing on, here looks to be safety and warranty information for Canada, US. And I'm not sure what this would be. I guess it would be a quick start guide then. Let's open it up and see. So I thought it'd be various languages. It's one language on one side, and looks to be another language on the other side. Okay, so a lot of this is just safety information, more safety information. Kind of odd. That's pretty much it. So that's an unboxing of the truly wireless earbuds from Sony, the XM5s. You can find a link to the full review in the video description, as well as a link to my website and social media links also in the video description. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.